Good morning, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 9:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's December 18th, 2021 on Saturday morning. This is not financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Share the video. Click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about Quant Network. All right, Quant US dollar is still on a tear. I mean, not exactly a tear. We were hoping for a little more out of this holy trinity here. It didn't quite get the bounce we wanted, but we did cycle up to almost 190. And now starting to cycle down, but still remain over this bullish trend line, meaning we are trending up. Now, we don't have an exact pattern in play here to know, anything imminent at this point, but we can just, take pleasure in the fact that we're at least over a trend that is going up. So we're around 186 on Quant US dollar. Current support right now around 182 on this short-term diagonal trend line that started over probably a couple of weeks ago now. And we do have a lower area of support down here around 178. So we need to remain over those two areas of support at the very least. Dipping below 178 could pull us back down to the 163 range, which is not where we want to be. We've been there before. Let's go over to Quant Bitcoin. We are still on our way up, clearly making a money move. All the way from December 9th, not too long ago, about a week and a half. However, staying over that 390 level, we're 394, resistance around 422. If we break through that 390 level, could be in for a dippy do down at 360. So I think we're going to remain kind of on the uptrend here. I think Bitcoin is starting to show like we could be completing this rectangular pattern. I won't go through it too much, but top left, bottom right action we've seen before, and the result has always been up. Not to say that prior action is indicative of future circumstances, but we do have an area of support here. We are winding towards the end of this rectangle pattern, which typically would, a day or two days roughly, maybe tomorrow, maybe going into Monday. But what I can tell you is we also have that broadening wedge, which we talk about all the time, which is very bullish because it's descending. All we have to do is break past that line of resistance, at 51,463, and then we should easily cycle back to 68K and probably beyond. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is still coming down. Zoomed out a bit much, but we're still doing that crab walk like we talked about. We pulled all the way down, bounced, come all the way down again. We're not getting back in that channel, and I'm suspecting that we might start to see things start to rally up on the Bitcoin dominance pair. Now, what this appears to be is a potential triple bottom, and also an inverted head and shoulders pattern. Triple bottoms are somewhat correlated to head and shoulders, and anyone can make heads or tails on that one. But I guess my point here is that we're looking like we're bottoming out around 39.50 in that range on the Bitcoin dominance pair. But we shall see how this ends up. If we continue down, that would be very interesting. But kind of rectangular, kind of triple bottom, kind of inverted head and shoulders. We'll see how this lands. But Bitcoin right now, 47K. Got to get over that resistance area 51. Quant 186. Talk soon.